I'm studying a Cert 3 in engineering to become a boilermaker at TAFE SA, and my name is Zak Lynch. I applied for a job at a company that made cattle yards in a rural town in New South Wales, and I found that I really enjoyed welding, so I wanted to progress that into a career. The facilities and equipment on TAFE have so far proved more than satisfactory. The welders are of good quality and much of the machinery we've used is well maintained. While I'm studying here, the people I've met at TAFE SA have so far been friendly and open-minded. I find that the students are helping with my learning and I'm helping them almost as much as the lecturers are. Because we've all spent time in our various jobs and the things we've picked up there or the things that we pick up here, it's almost a cross-pollination of the skills that we've acquired. The lecturers have so far had a positive impact. Many of them are very supportive and know lots about what they're teaching because they come from the industry themselves, having spent a decent amount of time out in the field and practicing these skills that they're passing on to us. The thing I enjoy most about the course is being able to apply and improve upon the skills that I use in my job on a day-to-day basis, and going back to my job and seeing how those skills have improved thanks to my time at TAFE SA. The thing I like most about what I do is being able to finish a job and step back and think, wow, I made this. I took a pile of scrap or spare metal and I made something useful.